Your car might be missing these. In the next few minutes, I'll show you car gadgets that make driving easier, safer, and way more fun. So before we dive in, hit that like button and subscribe. Trust me, you'll want to see every single one of these in action. Ultra Glaco Soft. There is nothing worse than squinting through a smeared windshield during a storm. This water repellent treatment handles the hard work for you, forcing sleet and rain to roll right away so your vision stays sharp. It takes minutes to put on, but saves you months of hassle. It's essentially invisible wipers for your car. Phone holder. Stop fumbling with your phone and keep your eyes on the road. This universal holder grips your device tight, so you don't have to worry about slips or drops during your commute. It's fully adjustable to fit any dashboard and rotates to any angle, making your music and navigation easier to see than ever. Just clip it in and drive. Batoka Polisher. If you're still polishing your car by hand, your shoulders probably hate you. This tool is a total game changer. It's super lightweight and handles all the buffing and shining in half the time. Whether you're trying to buff out a scuff or just want that wet look for your paint, the adjustable settings give you total control. Think of it as a shortcut to a perfect detail without the sweat. Velcro Storage Bag. Stop the clutter before it takes over your cabin. These mesh organizers use a heavy-duty grip to stay exactly where you need them, tucked away on a door panel or in the back of the SUV. They're perfect for stashing the stuff that usually ends up in your cup holders, like charging cables or small tools. No tools or screws needed, just stick them on and enjoy the extra breathing room. EANOP Projector. This little device turns your car windshield into a futuristic heads-up display. Just place it on your dashboard and it projects speed, navigation directions, fuel levels, and even call or message alerts directly in your line of sight. Bright, high-resolution visuals make it easy to see, day or night. It's simple to install, syncs with your phone, and keeps your eyes on the road, making driving safer and smarter. Compact, sleek, and distraction-free, it's the ultimate upgrade for any car enthusiast who loves tech. Cleva Mirror Protector. Protect your car's side mirrors from scratches, dust, and water spots with this sleek, easy-to-install shield. It fits perfectly over any standard mirror and keeps rain and dirt from blurring your view. The anti-glare design improves visibility in sunlight or headlights, while its durable, scratch-resistant material ensures long-lasting protection. Simple, subtle, and effective, it keeps your mirrors clear and your car looking pristine without changing its style. EVOLED. Driving lights. Turn night into day with a lighting setup that actually keeps up with your pace. These pods throw a massive amount of light exactly where you need it, filling in the gaps your headlights miss. Whether you're navigating a foggy trail or a lonely highway, the extra reach gives you those crucial extra seconds to react. They're tough, weatherproof, and designed to look as good as they perform. Perfect for making sure you always see what's coming around the next bend. Aroma diffuser. Turn your car into a relaxing retreat. Just plug it in, add your favorite essential oil, and enjoy a soothing fragrance that keeps stress at bay during every drive. Soft LED lights create a gentle glow inside your car, and its sleek design fits right on your dashboard or cup holder. Quiet, easy to use, and instantly uplifting, it makes every ride feel a little more luxurious. Baseus AP02 Vacuum Cleaner. Car cleaning feels less like work with this one. It easily pulls out dust, crumbs, and stubborn dirt from seats, floor mats, and narrow gaps you usually ignore. Comfortable to use and low on noise, it lets you freshen up your car in minutes. Perfect for people who want a clean interior without turning it into a big task. Car seat back organizer. Say goodbye to clutter in your car. This organizer hangs neatly behind the front seat and gives you pockets for snacks, gadgets, water bottles, and even tablets. No more loose items rolling around while you drive. Everything has its place. It's perfect for long trips or busy daily drives, keeping your passengers happy and your car looking tidy. Bluetooth multimedia button. Control your music, calls, and navigation without touching your phone. This tiny button pairs via Bluetooth and sits right on your steering wheel or dashboard, letting you skip songs, adjust volume, or answer calls with a single tap. No distractions, no fumbling. Just smooth, hands-free control that keeps your focus on the road. Electroluminescent displays. These displays are honestly something out of a sci-fi movie. They're completely transparent when they're off, meaning they blend perfectly into any high-end design without being an eyesore. You can get them curved or shaped to fit almost any surface, and the text stays razor sharp from basically any angle. It's the perfect mix of wow factor and actual usable tech. Xiaomi Mini Air Pump. Inflating tires or sports gear has never been this simple. This portable air pump fits in your car and quickly fills up tires, bike wheels, or even inflatable toys with just the push of a button. It has a built-in pressure gauge for precision, runs quietly, and can save you from roadside headaches. A small gadget with a huge peace of mind factor. Magnetic holder. Keep your phone in view and secure without fiddling with clamps or straps. A strong magnetic grip holds your device firmly, even on bumpy roads, while 360-degree rotation lets you adjust the angle for navigation or hands-free calls. Sleek, simple, and reliable, it makes accessing your phone effortless without ever taking your eyes off the road. Tablet holder. Perfect for passengers who want entertainment on the go. Secure your tablet in place and watch movies, follow navigation, or keep kids occupied during long drives. Adjustable arms and a sturdy mount make sure it stays steady no matter the bumps, while easy rotation gives the perfect viewing angle. Comfortable, practical, and travel-friendly, it turns every ride into a smooth and enjoyable experience. Pioneer Universal Radio. Bring modern sound to any car instantly. Plug it in, tune your favorite stations, or stream music with crystal clear audio. Switching between AM, FM, or Bluetooth is effortless thanks to its intuitive interface. Reliable, versatile, and easy to use, it keeps every drive lively with your favorite tunes. Storage bag. There is nothing more annoying than the sound of groceries rolling around your trunk every time you take a corner. This organizer is the easiest way to kill the noise. It slides right onto the back seat or into the cargo area, giving you a dedicated spot for everything from tools to takeout. It's built tough to stay put, so your gear stays exactly where you left it instead of sliding into the corners of the car. E-Ace Alarm. Protect your ride from the palm of your hand. This alarm doesn't just make noise, it keeps you in the loop. If someone tries to mess with your vehicle, you get an instant alert so you can react immediately. It's a simple, high-tech upgrade that makes your car a much harder target for thieves, giving you one less thing to stress about when you walk away from your keys. CAER headrest pillow. If you've ever finished a long drive with a stiff neck and a headache, you know exactly why this is a must-have. It fills that annoying gap between your shoulders and the headrest, giving you the kind of support that actually lets you relax while you drive. It's soft enough to be comfortable, but firm enough to keep your posture in check. Perfect for turning a grueling road trip into a much more cushioned experience. Emergency light kit. Getting stuck on the shoulder is stressful enough without worrying if other drivers can even see you. These lights are way better than standard hazards. They're bright enough to cut through heavy rain or total darkness, basically creating a don't hit me zone around your car. They're super easy to toss out and turn on, giving you one less thing to panic about while you're waiting for a tow. Which gadget would you add to your car? Like, subscribe, and hit the bell to never miss more awesome car upgrades.